Guys, and today I'm going to be doing like kinetic sand and playing with my hamsters, but not my stepsisters. She'll be coming later. She's about the same age as me, 9, but I'm older than her. Never nearly been older than someone that's my age. It's weird. Okay, so let me just find a way to try and get my tablet and like stand. Oh! Sorry guys, my tablet just fell. There's the kinetic sand. I mushed it all together. Okay, let me try and find a way. Done. Here's the kinetic sand. I've got the Dory one. So I had blue, grey and orange before. So satisfying, right? I'm only going to do it for about 15 minutes, maximum. Right, I've got some stuff with it in the post. I don't know why I got it, but I got a screw with it. I don't know why. I got Bailey, the little whale, I think. I got with there's just some stuff. I got Destiny. I got like a little seaweed with all different kinds. I got this, but I think it's broke off or something, I don't know. So I'll just keep that aside. My hamsters are not out, so I'll do another video when they are out. They're right on top of me. There. Got a paintbrush to like mould stuff because I've made really good stuff. I'm an artist with kinetic sand. I got Nemo. That nailed it. The octopus, which is Frank, I think, and Dory. Yeah. And watch, guys. Take all of the stuff out, everything. Chop it in half, like, or something. I'm doing it with the paintbrush. Then I'm gonna do 2 balls. Like, to make into 2 balls and watch. They're so satisfying. Sorry if it's not like the perfect ball ever. But I've tried. As long as you try and put that in the corner there. And it's doing pretty well. Just put it in the corner there. Make sure it don't collapse like kinetic sand normally does. There's the other one. Better do it quick before my stepbrothers and sisters come. I've got stepbrother and 2 stepsisters. Oh, that one collapsed really good. Well, I didn't even want it to collapse. Watch, guys, it's so satisfying. My eyes always go like that sometimes. So watch. There's the first one, which is here. Put it like there. Now do that. Watch. Can you see, guys? That is it. And now I'm going to do it with the other one. Oh god, that one was kind of like a tough one that time. So satisfying, guys. Maybe I should do a satisfying video. Well, that's just dripping. I'm going to try and make the sea like I did before when I had the blue, and it was amazing. It looked like an actual sea, but then until this all drips. I might do one when I'm at my nan's. As you can see, it looks like it's turned into a proper volcano, guys. It was like that, like all in. It just drops out of your hand, so satisfying. It's like, try and make the sea, guys. I need something like this to like pat it down. Destiny. Or I could roll it. Whoa, guys! It says I'm going to read the newspaper now. Blah 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 blah. I'm joking, guys. Make sure to then let me just get it all right. Make sure to subscribe, which I'll just and that turn on bell. Ooh, let me just. So let's get on with the video, okay? So I'm gonna start flattening it out. Takes a lot of hard work to cover all the surface. Yesterday I had to hoover up myself. I thought my dad had done it or something because my little cousin came round and she made a massive mess. I didn't know she was going to make that big mess. So I've nearly made it all. I just need to keep with that and just see if the hamsters are awake. Well, I'm not allowed to pick any up. You can have a little lunch. I'm allowed to open it. There's a cage. Whoa. Guys. I might get some sun now. See here, the whole thing. I need some kinetic sand for my animals, so I'm only gonna do Dory, so I need about not much, but about this much, guys. To Dory, where is he? I've lost Dory. Dory! Oh, he was right behind me. What is still stuck in there? And I'm going to call this video. Oh, I don't know. So what you have to do is press down. We'll take the access off. You can see there's more, so it makes it spread out more. Rub all the access off. And you might need a bit more because sometimes the fin comes out. The fin bit, you know what I mean, don't you guys? Fins out again. Insert, stuff it in. So that is it, and I'm going to. That's how it's gone, guys. Let's try again, guys. Cause it didn't work. Cause it didn't work. Cause it didn't. Cause it didn't work. I have got upstairs now, so before we used to live in a masonette. Now we're living in a house. I might do a house tour as soon as all the houses are clean. Not this one. This is my dad's house. This is just my dad's house. And then I'm going to my nan's tomorrow. I might do a one tour of that. Give a few seconds. Tap on it a bit. Sometimes it probably gonna ruin it, or it's not coming out, guys. Come on. Alright, guys. So it's ended. Tails come off a bit. That was like a fail, guys. Again, I heard like a door bang. If I could pick it all up, don't think I can because it's gonna fix that. Look, guys. Let's try to do that again, guys. Spread it out. Wow, guys. Guys, watch. Watch, it's like stringy bits come out, and then got the kinetics. What's that? Look, what's from a high standard. Oh no. Someone on the ground, my dad's gonna get really in trouble. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Guys, help me. Put your hand through the screen. We'll try if you're a magician. Whoa! One of you in the world just did it. Thank you, guys. Whoever did it in the world. Comment down, but well, not comment. Bless me. This is from a high standard again. I'm gonna do it in slow mo. This is from Slime. Put it back on to on what? Owen, Courtney, and Joe. Okay. Yeah. On the way back. Here. Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna. Ew! So screw. No, I've just been watching them and stalking them. So I'm gonna go now, guys. I need to be quick to get my stuff back. I'm gonna go upstairs, come guys. 2 minutes, quick guys, quick. Guys, quick. Go up the stairs. I need to go and brush my teeth. The room's a mess. Whoa. Do you like our room? We've even got a guitar. So I'm gonna go, guys. Subscribe, bye, bell, bye. Mwah.